All right, the drink we're about to make is called Sackville Surprise. And we're going to serve this up as a shot. Go ahead and set up your shot glass and fill it halfway with rum, white rum, and fill it the rest of the way with some good old maple syrup. Not just for your pancakes, it's for your drinking as well. Okay. As you can see, it has a pretty cool looking effect in there. We're going to mix it up, try to make sure that the syrup gets blended in with the rum. So we just grab a couple straws and stir it. You can see it's not very easy to get it mixed together. There it goes. So this is going to be a thick shot, very sweet. Sackville Surprise, bottoms up.